How to fix Flybys not showing in Strava App. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you something very insightful. What I'll be teaching you today is how you can fix Flybys not showing in Strava App. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So what you need to do first is to open your Strava app on your phone, and once you've ensured that it's been opened on your phone, the home page will be displayed to you, where you see option to see what your friends are doing. If you're interested in seeing what your friends are doing on Strava app, you can simply click on this option. Another option is to subscribe to Strava app. So if you're interested in subscribing to Strava, you can as well click the option and subscribe. Also, you'll be shown the list of sport activities that you've done previously or recently. So that's on the home page. So to fix Flybys not showing in Strava app, all you need to do is to look at the lower part of the page where we have the home icon, the record icon, the maps icon, the groups icon, and the U icon. You simply click on the U icon just like I'm doing here, okay? You click on it, then you wait for the page to load, and once the page is loaded, you see two sections here. You see the progress section and you see the activity section. So the activity section is just to give you a breakdown of the several sport activities that you've participated in, and if it's the progress is to give you a breakdown of the progress that you've made so far. So to fix the problem of Flybys not showing on your Strava app, we take a look at the top right corner of the screen where we have three icons. We have the profile icon, we have the search icon, we have the setting icon. Then you click on the setting icon, which is the last and the third icon on the row. So you wait for the page to load, and once the page has loaded, you see several things that you can do on your setting page. You can change your password, you can change your email, you can change your privacy, you can change your display, you can change your email notifications, and so on. So to fix the problem of Flybys not showing on your Strava app, all you need to do is to scroll down till you get to the privacy control. Once you click on the privacy control, here you would on the next page that will be displayed on your screen, you scroll down till you see Flybys just in between group activities and local legends. So you click on Flybys just in between those two options. So once you click on it, another page will be displayed to you where you would see option of letting people have access to your Flybys on Strava app, or not allowing people to have access to your Flybys on Strava app. And says you want to change the issue, it says you want to fix the issue of Flybys not showing on Strava app. All you need to do is to click the option where you'd make it accessible to everyone on Strava app, so that it will be seen on Strava app. So you click on the button on the circle that is just in front of that option, just like I've done here. After clicking on it, and the problem has been fixed. So this is simply how to fix the problem of Flybys not showing in Strava app. I hope you find this video informative. Thank you.